Unveil the secret to a flat belly with these 5 powerful drinks. Belly fat can be stubborn, affecting health and confidence. Let's tackle it with science-backed drinks. Start strong with Lemon Ginger Detox Water, which boosts metabolism and reduces inflammation. Ingredients: lemon, ginger, water. Slice lemon and ginger, infuse in water overnight, and drink daily. Stay refreshed with cucumber mint cooler, which hydrates and reduces bloating. Ingredients: cucumber, mint, water. Combine cucumber and mint in water, let it infuse for hours. Fight belly fat with apple cider vinegar mix, which boosts metabolism and reduces fat storage. Ingredients: apple cider vinegar, water, honey. Mix vinegar and honey in water, stir well, and drink daily. Sip away belly fat with green tea and lemon, which boosts metabolism and enhances fat burning. Ingredients: green tea, lemon. Brew tea, add lemon juice, enjoy hot or cold. Boost your metabolism with a berry detox smoothie, rich in antioxidants and aids digestion. Ingredients: mixed berries, yogurt, water. Blend berries and yogurt with water. Drink in morning. Ready to transform your body? Try these drinks and see the difference.